What's up guys, you are welcome to Femtech Studio. So in today's video I will be withdrawing my first Miratel fund today, which is 13,200. So how many days have this been accumulated? Should I say within not up to a week, within 3 to 4, let's say within 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I want to withdraw it now. How did I place my withdrawal? First, please note you can only withdraw within Tuesday and Friday, that is 4 to 5 p.m. okay, and let's say peradventure you've done everything on Wednesday, you've done your tax, you've registered, and you want to place on withdraw. Please always make sure you log out, then you log in again, or else the system will not give you your daily bonus. Number one. Number two, it won't open the site for you in order for you to withdraw. Okay, so I haven't done that. Now before you click on withdraw, okay, what you need to set your account first. So you click on this on button, then click on you click on user profile. So once you click on user profile, here you'll be asked to input your account number. So at this place where you see minimum payout of 20,000, do not worry, this is not for you. Okay, so it's just probably like auto withdrawal. Okay, that is if you have like 20,000, the system, maybe you forgot to cash out that day and you have like this amount. If you set it in auto, then it will automatically send the money into your account. That should be the meaning of auto withdrawal. Okay, so today I've done mine, then I've logged out and logged in so that I can be able to get today's fund. So click on this on button again, then select payment. Okay, so at this point now I'll click on the type of withdrawal I want, that is the affiliate, because that's where I have the 13,200, those who I referred and they registered. So from here I'll select 13,200. I want to withdraw everything for the first time. You get it? Okay, so then select submit requests. Okay, said withdrawal successfully submitted. So I'm actually waiting for the money to land into my account. Then once it has landed into my account, I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so after waiting for a few hours, this is the money. As you can see, 13,200. So if I should click on it, I don't know if it's clickable. Okay, but to see it well, let me show you on my okay, so this is it, 13,200. Can you see it? From Miratel technology. So guys, it is legit working and it pays. Okay, bye for now.